Hello, this is 10/5, October 5th. We're continuing going over mixtures, and this is a mixture we're talking about as solutions. And some materials, when mixed together, undergo changes in their physical property, such as salt dissolving in water. When substances are mixed evenly at a microscopic level, such as salty water, these special homogeneous mixtures are referred as solutions. So if you haven't done this yet, and you haven't had a chance to do this before, we might have went over this before, I want you to make sure you put it in your science journal. Write this down to help you. And the major one we're going to actually look and watch a video of is watching how to separate the solution of salt and water. And the only way to separate these is through evaporation. The only way to separate the solution of salt and water is through evaporation. And sometimes they do the evaporation just by the sun, or the other way is you would actually use a burner that you would have in your kitchen or your house to separate it. And we're going to quickly watch the video for it. And then when we're finished with this, we'll be finished.
Evaporation.
What if we wanted to separate our mixtures or solutions back to their original parts? Is this even possible? Yes, it is. From ancient times, clever people have figured out how to separate mixtures to get the specific substances that they need. With some mixtures, it may be as easy as using a filter or a screen to separate out the original components. But this method won't work with solutions. One method for separating out the components of some solutions is evaporation. Evaporation is the process by which water and other liquids change from a liquid state to a gas or vapor state. It is a good separation method to use if you are trying to separate a mixture that contains a solvent and a solid that dissolves easily in water. During the process of evaporation, heat separates the liquid components from the solid components. When the process is done, the solid or its residue is what is left. Let's suppose you have a solution of salt and water. How will we separate the salt from the salt and water solution? We can use evaporation. First, we would need to heat that solution over a burner and bring the salt water solution to a boil. As the water boils, it changes from a liquid to a gas, or evaporates. Once all of the water has evaporated, only the salt will be left behind. Did you know that in many parts of the world, evaporation is used to create table salt? In warmer climates, seawater is funneled into a basin where the heat needed for the evaporation process is supplied by the sun. The rate of evaporation increases when the temperature of the liquid is increased. So, our method of separating salt from water over a burner will separate out salt faster than using the sun as the heat source for separating salt from seawater. Changes made to the substances through evaporation can be reversed. Let's